With your next delivery on the way, I should probably tell you how to use your account in no time at all. Off on holiday? You can skip a delivery anytime you want using your online calendar, or hop onto your account to select a different frequency. The choice is yours. Our flowers come in letterbox, classic and showstopper sizes. Fancy something a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller? You can change your size in your online account. When words simply aren't enough, send a beautiful gift of flowers. We take orders till 8 p.m. the night before, 7 days a week. Know someone who'd love Freddy's? Share your unique friend code with your friends for some juicy discounts. Finally, you'll find all things flowery in our fantastic online shop. Vases, secateurs and lots more. Any queries, just email or call and we'll answer as fast as a wizard on a firework. So there you have it, a very quick guide to our wonderful world of flowers.